Hi children, welcome to today's session. Hope you all read the last part, the island, thoroughly. Now you are familiar with our fisherman and his wife, isn't it? Now let's move to our next session, Father Comes Alive. Let's start children. Father Comes Alive. One day the fisherman was walking along the seashore after the death of his father. It was for the first time he was going out. See, it was the first time after his death of his father he was going out. Oh, my father, how loving he was, he thought. Never can I see him again. See, he was very sad. He loved his father very much. So he thought, I can't see him again. Suddenly a flash of light fell on his eyes. Something shining was lying on the sand. He picked it up and looked at it. He had never seen such a thing before. He saw a face in it. He was scared. He threw it away, but after a while he walked towards it again. He picked it up and saw the face in it again. Look, suddenly a flash of light fell on his eyes. He had never seen such a thing before. So he picked it up and looked at it. When he looked at that thing, he saw a face in it. He was frightened. Why? Because he had never seen such a thing before. So he threw it away. But after a while, he walked towards it and picked it up. Again, he saw a face in it. He had never seen his own face before. He thought it was his father's face. Maybe he looked like his father. So he thought the face in that thing was his father's face. He was very happy. See, just before he thought he can't see his father again. Is it? So he was very happy. He thanked God for sending his father's picture. He smiled at the picture. What a surprise! It smiled back. Look, when he saw at it, he smiled. Then what happened? His father smiled back. He was really surprised. He turned the mirror to see if his father was behind it, but he could not see anyone. Oh, that's so sad. He turned the mirror to see his father was behind it, but he couldn't see anyone there. Once more, he turned his face. Ah, my loving father. He spoke to his father. His father's lip moved, but he heard nothing. He talked to his father, but his father's lips moved, but he can't heard anything. He became sad again. He cried. His father too seemed to cry. Look, he began to cry. Then what happened? His father too cried. He held the mirror close to his heart and went home. He thought that was the picture of his father which was sent by God. So he held the mirror close to his heart and went home. Children, what did the fisherman think when he got a piece of mirror for the first time? It was really interesting, isn't it? Look, children, go through this text very carefully. Then write the meanings of all the underlined words. You can add some more words. Okay? Find the meanings from the dictionary and write it in your notebook as we did in the last session. Okay? Children, here we are going to discuss the answers of these questions. Listen carefully, then write it in your notebook. Why did he think that the face in the mirror was his father's? The man had never seen his own face in a mirror, so he thought that it was his father's face. Next one, what do you think the fisherman will do with the mirror? Maybe the fisherman will take the mirror to his house and show it to his wife. Is it? So the last one, where will he keep the mirror? Will he hang it on the wall? Will he keep it among his clothes or he hide it somewhere? Children, think about it. I think he may keep the mirror close to his heart always. Why? That much he like his father. Think about it and write. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.